Alright guys, so let's start this thing up. You see the steering wheel retracts fully, as it should. There's no annoying sounds or anything like that. So yeah, I can show you guys how infotainment and the map, that all works fine. We can click through everything here. Audio's off. So I'll cut the radio on. We'll see the antenna fully go up. You should be able to see it go up and down. So it's fully functional now. Turn that off. You'll see the antenna retract. Mirrors. Both mirrors fully functional. What else? Center diff lock, that works. Yeah, all the buttons here on the steering wheel work. The height control, like I mentioned in the previous video, it's fully functional. Sunroof. It is fully functional. All the windows work. Both auto up and auto down. Do the rear ones as well. They both function. Alright, so let's take it on a short drive. So the air conditioner is awesome. That's one of the reasons I'm going to end up regretting selling this thing one day, is because I literally just turned it on and it's already blowing cool air. Take the temperature up so we're not blasting the fan on the entire time. As you can tell, there's no loud noises or anything like that. It's a very quiet vehicle when driving. We're on some fairly rough South Carolina roads at the moment. But again, our oil pressure's good, battery voltage is good. It'll get up to temperature here in a minute. The brakes are strong. Look in the documentation to see when the last time they were replaced. I know I have some photos of it. Again, the different sports settings, I can put it in sport mode, which increases the stiffness of the dampeners. I don't know if this will translate in the video, but it does ride much stiffer in this mode. Or I can put it down into the other mode, or full comfort, which I call it the boat mode because it feels like a boat. Now, I don't know if you can tell this from the video, but everything's very smooth. Any bumps that you hit, the vehicle really likes to waft over these bumps. So I personally tend to keep it in either the standard comfort mode or in the next one up. That's my personal preference. Everybody's got their own preference. Again, it's a very quiet vehicle. Rides very well. It is a very heavy vehicle. So you do have to, if you're going around a bunch of country roads and stuff, you're going to feel that weight being thrown around. So let's just turn in here. Yeah, there's no squeaking of the suspension. There's no harsh power steering noises, no ticking of the exhaust, anything like that. So I'll do a full turn for you. So this is full lock. There's no power steering noises coming through, nothing like that. Turning radius is actually pretty decent for a vehicle of this size. Engine is strong. We can push the power button and you can see the ECT power light up. We can put it on cruise control momentarily since I'm not on a flat road. That works just fine. Turn the lights on. Everything works. This does have LED fog lights installed by the previous owner. I do have some angel eye headlights as well that will go with the vehicle. But yeah, it's really a great vehicle. You can see the map is still fully functioning. Although if you're driving around on brand new roads, the odds are that the GPS doesn't know that those maps exist, or that those roads exist, I should say. But yeah, as you can see, we are fully up to temperature at this point. Oil pressure's good. Like I said, the air conditioner and the heater are both great. It does have heated seats as well. Both of those are working just fine. Although, as you can see, it's 72 degrees outside, so I'm not going to actually cut those on because I don't want to burn my butt. And again, these are some pretty bad South Carolina roads. I will take you up to some more highway style roads real quick just so you can see what that's like. Like I said before, the height control is fully operational. I can demonstrate that by video if needed, but if not, I've got some pictures of the vehicle, both in the high mode and the low mode. Both you can see it on the gauge and the vehicle itself being raised and lowered. It does have the high and low gear. Both of those are fully functional. I've only put it in the low mode once honestly just to see what it would do. Guess I'm going to show you the visor. I do have the owner's manual inside the glove box, as well as the original window sticker for the vehicle will go with the car. So this is a 2-lane highway road that we are pulling onto right now. I'll accelerate a little quicker so that you guys can see that. This is only maybe half throttle at most. So you can see the engine accelerates strongly. Once you get up to, 70 miles an hour, you can start to hear the wind noise, although that's certainly much less than any other vehicle. I think Lexus added quite a bit of sound deadening, as well as like the windshield is, I think, riveted onto the body, so that helps prevent a lot of the wind noise from coming through. Yeah, the steering wheel, all that motion works. It telescopes and moves up and down. That's all functional. Like I said, the radio works. The tape player works as well. Trying to think if there's anything I'm missing here. It does have the auto